Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. I'm doing well. Thank you. I've been trying to watch English movies and TV shows, but I'm having trouble understanding them. That's completely normal, especially if you're just starting out. Watching movies and TV shows in English is a great way to improve your language skills, but it can be challenging at first. What specific difficulties are you facing? I think they speak too fast, and I can't catch all the words. Also, the slang and expressions are so confusing. I understand English speakers can indeed speak quickly, and the use of slang can be tricky. Let's break it down. First, with speed. It's essential to remember that even native speakers can struggle with fast dialogue. What you can do is start with movies or TV shows that have clear and slower speech. Have you tried watching with subtitles? Yes, I have, but I find myself focusing too much on reading the subtitles and not enough on listening. That's a common challenge. Try this. Watch a scene without subtitles first, just to get a sense of the overall context. Then watch it again with subtitles to catch the details. Gradually, you'll find yourself relying less and less on subtitles as your listening skills improve. That sounds like a good idea. I'll give it a try. Great. Now, about slang and expressions. These can indeed be confusing. English has a lot of idioms and slang. My suggestion is to pick up a good English dictionary or use online resources to look up phrases that you don't understand. Additionally, there are websites and apps that specifically focus on teaching English idioms. I'll make sure to do that. It's just frustrating when I don't get what they are saying. I completely understand your frustration. Remember, language learning is a gradual process. It's okay not to understand everything at once. What matters is that you're making an effort to improve. Also, try to watch movies or shows with simple plots initially. You can follow along more easily. That makes sense actually. I'll start with simpler content and work my way up. Perfect. And don't hesitate to pause and rewind when you need to. Repetition is key to understanding and retaining new information. Now, let's talk about practicing outside of watching movies and TV shows. Have you tried listening to English podcasts or music? Not really. I didn't think about that. Podcasts and music can be excellent supplementary tools. Podcasts often have slower, clear speech, and music can help you get used to the rhythm and intonation of the language. It's a different kind of exposure that can really enhance your overall understanding. I will add that to my routine. Thanks for the suggestion. You're welcome. Language learning is about immersion and practice. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more comfortable you'll become. Also, consider finding a language exchange partner or joining an English-speaking club. Conversing with native speakers can significantly improve your speaking and listening skills. That sounds like a good idea. I will look into that as well. Great. Keep in mind that progress takes time. So be patient with yourself. Consistent practice and exposure will lead to improvement. If you have any more questions along the way, feel free to ask. Happy learning.